Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell about 7 secrets of success. We should follow these secrets and we should learn with these secrets. Uh, these I hope that these 7 secrets would be helpful to you. So if you like my videos, please press like button and subscribe my channel to get more and more informative videos and share my videos. Number 1 is, so now I sharing these 7 secrets of success. The number 1 is roof. Roof says always be high, always aim high, so that you can achieve your high aim. If you think about high aim, then you do process to get your aim. If you don't have any aim, you don't know that in which way you have to work. So first of all, always aim high, then work it on this way. And the second one is fan. Fan says we cool. We should always cool in any situation. Whenever we find ourselves that there is no need to work, I have no interest. If we have no interest any work, we should be cool and do achieve your small goals. Make small goals and achieve them every day. Make goals for a day and complete it within day. In this way, you will get your goal one day. Third one is mirror. Mirror says reflect before you act. Reflect before you act. Always think about of which you are going on, and think how to act and research on it, so you will get your goal, your aim. And the fourth one is calendar. Calendar says be up to date. So it learns ourselves that we should be up to date. We should be upgrade our knowledge day by day. Upgrade our knowledge by day, and we should learn everything from anything. We can learn anything. We, whether children, elder, older, anyone we can learn. From anyone we can learn if our motive if our motive would be how to learn, how to get more and more knowledge, to get a good way in our life. So we should be up to grade. And the fifth one is window. Window says see the world. The world is very wide. There are more and more informations in everything, more and more things to learn. So discover it and do more and more things. Explore the world so you get more knowledge. And the sixth one is door. Door says push hard your goals. When we make any goal, we should push hard. We should do practice for achieve our goal. So do practice every day. If we work hard every day, then one day we can get our goal. And the seventh clock says every minute is precious. Clock says every minute is precious. So we should try to understand the importance of time, because time is very important in our life. No one can buy it at any cost. If we want anything in this world, we can achieve it, we can get it with money. But time it is a thing that we cannot buy, we cannot achieve. If it get before, if it is spent, we don't get it. So understand it, that time is very important in our life. Do the work when the time of it. Do every work in a particular time, so we can get time and we can achieve our goals. So these are the goals, these are the secrets of success that I revealed before you. So if you find that it is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you.